Hey, it's Bob from Bob's Computer Service. Welcome to another Windows Wednesday. Today I'm going to show you how to check if Windows is activated. Let's keep it super simple, and here we go. First, we're going to open up the Start menu either by clicking the Start button or using the Windows key on your keyboard. And then we're just going to type in activation. And you don't have to type it all out. It's right there, activation settings. And you can see here it's set, it says it's active, so I have an active Windows 11. If it displays Windows is not activated or you encounter an error, you may need to enter the product key or sign in with your Microsoft account. And that's it. It's super quick, super easy, and super helpful if you need to know if you have a valid copy of Windows 11. Thanks for watching this Windows Wednesday tip, and subscribe for tips coming up in the future. Thanks, and have a great day.